What's up guys, I'm Soul Survivor 610 and this is my new YouTube channel. I plan on posting a lot of collection videos, customs, unboxings. I'm making a shoe room, so I'll keep you guys updated with that, with videos and all. So feel free to subscribe. So as many of you guys know from my Instagram, I'm a huge Dreamville fan. I love J. Cole, and one of the recent projects that they put out was Revenge of the Dreamers 3. I thought that the album was amazing. I loved it. I thought that J. Cole did a really good thing with the rap game, bringing a lot of underappreciated rappers to the spotlight and giving them their chance to shine. Also, with Cole being signed to Puma, I got excited because, I was expecting a PE or a signature shoe to come out, which did, the Sky Dreamer, which I have yet to get, but I did get Dreamville's first collab with Puma in the form of the Puma Clyde. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the Revenge of the Dreamers 3 Puma Clyde comes in, the standard Puma box. It was $90. I don't think they still sell it online. I think it's sold out, but you guys can probably find it on StockX or something if you really want a pair. So here it is. The first thing I thought when I got this shoe, and I got two pairs, so the first thing that I thought was, I can't believe I just spent all that money on two pairs of yellow bowling shoes. To an extent, I still feel that way. They kind of do look like bowling shoes a little bit, especially with the very loud yellow coloring, but they have grown on me. One of the main things that I love about this shoe is the gum bottom. I really love gum bottoms on shoes. You don't really see many shoes with gum bottoms, so when a pair drops, they're sure to sell out. I like that they added a bunch of Revenge of the Dreamers and Dreamville, hits on the shoe. One is the tongue, which says Revenge of the Dreamers 3. It's got the logo right there. The other one just has, the Puma logo there. Another hit that I really liked was the Revenge of the Dreamers 3 logo right there on the back heel. I think it really makes the shoe pop. It stands out. It's, black against a yellow background. The main thing I liked about these shoes was the insoles. It says Dreamville on them. I think that's a really cool hit. It's subtle, but I think that it really was a nice touch that they added with these. You guys know I don't really have to explain the material or quality on the shoes. It's just your basic pair of Clydes. You got the suede, you got the rubber sole, the leather heel tab. There's not much to it, but if you're a Dreamville fan, it definitely is a piece that you have to have in your collection. So before I go, guys, I just want to give a shout out to one of my sponsors, the Pink Miracle. They're always hooking me up with stuff to keep my shoes clean. If you guys don't know, they are a shoe cleaner. They've been around since '85, so they definitely know what they're doing. I've used every shoe cleaner from Jason Mark to the Crep wipes to the off-brand stuff that you have at your local Foot Locker, and this stuff holds up. It does exactly what all the big name brands do, just at a cheaper price. And if you guys want to use my code SoulSurvivor610, you can get 10% off your next order. I gotta show this off too. They sent me this shirt in the mail. Pink's my favorite color, so I'm definitely gonna rock this. Just thought it was a really nice touch. So yeah, that's it guys. This is my first video like I said, so please go easy on me in the comments. If you like what you see and you want more, feel free to subscribe. I'll be dropping a schedule of when I'm going to post videos probably right after this video, somewhere on my Instagram. The links to my Instagram and Twitter are down in the bio, so feel free to follow me, feel free to subscribe. Comment and let me know if you're going to Dreamville Fest this summer.